Welcome back. Today we'll see Proxmox Backup Server install on Proxmox. Here I would choose the Proxmox Backup Server install script from GitHub Community Helper Scripts or TTEC uh, Helper Scripts. We'll paste the URL there. We get prompt if we need to send diagnostics. I would choose no at this point. Now for the settings, choose an option, either default or advanced. I would choose advanced. Choose type unprivileged. Click OK and then set root password prompt is available. This is useful for setting the root password access when we need to use a third-party tool or external SSH access to monitor or manage the Proxmox backup server. Click OK. It prompts for verify root password. Click OK. Set the container ID. I'm changing the container ID. Set the host name. I'm giving PBS as a host name. Set the disk size in GB. I would use the default 10 GB and then number of CPU cores 2 and RAM is 2 GB. Select network type default. I would choose the static IP address and choose any available local IPv4 address. Give /24 if we need to make it available through the subnet. Enter the gateway IP address, that is your router address. I'm choosing IPv6 not applicable, and then all other prompts as default, including MTU. DNS server, I'm keeping it blank, so it will take the host. We can set the custom tags and then SSH authorized key. I'm keeping it blank. Enable root SSH access. Not choosing it. We are ready to create the LXC and then whether selections need to be written to config file. Yes. Now here storage pool can be selected to use the container template. So here I'm choosing the first one, which is local LVM. So verbose mode is no. Writing the configurations to apt community scripts proxmox backup server.conf using local for template storage. You can using the local LVM for container storage. LXC template list updated. Template download successful. LXC template is Debian standard 12. And Alexei container is 201 or whichever you give at the time of initial setup. So eventually the process takes about a few minutes and then update is completed. Now let us go to Proxmox backup server login page. Port is 8007 using the root and then Linux PAM standard authentication, which can be chosen here. Another one is Proxmox Backup Authentication Server. Once login, we can see the CPU consumption, RAM consumption. Now going ahead with the Proxmox Backup Server post-install script. So you may wish to review the source code, but post-install script is doing some flags to be enabled or disabled. So let us copy this. There is a copy button or icon there next to the script here. Click copy and paste it in the shell of Proxmox backup server. So here it's applied on the PV shell, so it doesn't accept it. So let us go back to PBS and then apply it there. Change to Proxmox backup server sources. Yes. Click OK. Disable PBS Enterprise Repository. Yes. Enable PBS No Subscription Repository. Yes. Add disabled PBS Test Repository. Yes. Disable Subscription NAG. Yes. Click OK. Now post install is happening. Update Proxmox backup server now. Click yes. Reboot Proxmox backup server now. Click yes. So Proxmox backup server LXA container, it's created. We can now add a username PBS backup, or you may choose whatever you wish. Enter your preferred password. Comment I would give PBS backup user. Click Add. Now we can create a mount point. So I would choose storage as a PV share, which can be from your NAS or network attached storage or any disk attached to PBS through Proxmox. I would choose mount options lazy time, path as dev SDH2. Now we see that mount point 0 is connected, which is of 400 gig.